It is imperative to cleanse your intestines regularly to rid them of excess mucus, fecal matter, and harmful parasites. This practice acts as a safeguard against numerous diseases and infections. Over the span of 70 years, our intestines process approximately 100 tons of food and 40,000 liters of fluids. Astonishingly, this means nearly 10 pounds of fecal matter and toxic debris accumulate within our intestines over time. These harmful substances not only poison our blood but also inflict irreparable damage to our entire body, compromising our overall health and well-being. Hence, adopting a regimen of intestinal cleansing is vital for maintaining optimal health and vitality. These are the most common symptoms which indicate that your body needs bowel cleansing: kidneys and liver diseases, arthritis, hearing and sight problems, frequent constipation, overweight and underweight. Your hair, skin, and nails are in a bad state. Cancer and other diseases. With the enema treatment, you can clean just a small part of your colon. It will clean just 40 to 50 centimeters. The cleansing enema treatment with special equipment is quite expensive and takes a lot of time. If you wish to clean your intestines from all that toxic waste in a natural way, then we have the right answer for you. By consuming 1 to 3 tablespoons of linseed flour for 3 weeks, in the morning, you can completely clean your intestines from the mucus and fecal deposits, or parasites. This natural cleansing method provides fast weight normalization and fat burning. It has a positive effect on the regulation of lipid metabolism. Linseed flour can absorb and eliminate the toxins from the body and reduce your cholesterol levels. This natural homemade cleansing method can help you reduce the side effects of many health conditions, such as gastritis, colitis, stomach and duodenal ulcers, urinary tract diseases, cystitis, pyelonephritis, obesity, or improper digestion. You need to eat this instead of breakfast for 3 weeks. First week, 1 tablespoon of linseed flour mixed with 3.3 ounces, 100 milliliters kefir. Second week, 2 tablespoons of linseed flour mixed with 3.3 ounces, 100 milliliters kefir. Third week, 3 tablespoons of linseed flour mixed with 5 ounces, 150 milliliters kefir.